What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video and in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can register for Fifth Third's online banking account. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel app tutorial and let's move on. First step, search for Fifth Third Bank login and click on versus online banking login and it'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on versus register and it'll take you to this website. Over here, click on versus no. Once you do that, click on versus yes and it'll take you to this page. Over here, select the type of account you have and then enter the information like your account number over here and then your social security number. Click on I have all my loans document with me. Click on account verification and it's gonna verify if you guys have an account in Fifth Third Bank or not, and after it verifies it, your account will be created. Now remember, this is a 4-step process, so after this as well, it's gonna ask you for some information, so you need to fill up the form correctly in order to create an online banking account. Alright, so hope you guys filled the form correctly and created a bank account for yourself, online banking account for yourself. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and bye bye.